a new real estate investor who's looking to get into the tax liens or tax deeds and finding some of those. Sitting here talking to Ted Thomas, who knows a lot about this, who's been teaching me a lot about it. But Ted, if this person is ready to go, where do they find these lists of homes that are, having, some tax problems?
Okay, so this is a government-run system. So when the government does anything, they put a lot of things in writing. So if you wanted to buy tax lien certificates, whatever county you wanted to buy in, they would publish a list. So I'll quickly show you a list. So I'm just going to pick up one and show you kind of. So that list of properties would be a long list, and you just scroll down, and it would be thousands. And there's so many that I'm going to show you. This is like Tampa, Florida. Okay, now Tampa, Florida, in some years they'll have as many as 40,000 certificates. So that just visualize that online. And this is hundreds of pages, I mean dozens of pages here of tax liens. So now you know where the tax lien certificates were. But the United States, half of the states sell tax liens, which I just mentioned. So all the counties that sell those will tell you online they have it. Then the other states, they're going to sell the actual property. Now, when they sell the actual property, I'll go over here under my desk, and I'll just pick up this brochure, which I printed from the internet, okay? So the county published this brochure, and the brochure is for Franklin County, and this is part of New York. New York has about 67 counties, and this county has 86 properties, and this is a list. It's a list of those counties, of those properties, and they'll list all the properties. Now, these are older properties, 30 years, 50 years old, whatever, and they'll describe the property in the brochure. All right, so you can download that, then you can take it and put it on your desk like I'm doing now, and you can study it and decide which ones that you wanted to check out. Then you could go back online and you could type in that property number. Okay, the number is going to be right here. You could do that, or it's going to be on the auction list. And then you could view the property online. Now, keep in mind what I said. You don't want to buy any property without having boots on the ground because you don't know what's going to happen. I mean, there might be a hurricane, there might be a fire. So you always want to have checked out the property. But it's not a difficult process. The challenge for most people is they don't know where the counties are. So we have directories of all the counties. We have maps of all the counties. We have interactive maps of all the counties. We can actually go electronically over a county and tell you how many auction properties there are and how many auctions there are. So that's a pretty sophisticated system, but I've been doing that I'm the only one that has those because it's taken 25 years to build all those systems, and the computer geniuses figure all that out. I just say what I want, and they just tell me what it's going to cost.
Yeah, but I'll tell you, yeah, sure. But Ted's got a lot of experience in this, and he's making it a little easier for the rest of us to kind of get up to speed on this and have some great resources, and obviously some really great information and advice to share, which you can see more of and some videos just like this if you head to Ted's website. That's at tedthomas.com. Go there right now, check it out, learn a little bit more, and you may want to take one of Ted's courses, or you may find out everything you need to know, and you can just keep going on your own. But Ted's happy to share some of that information with you there. So check it out, tedthomas.com.